Guys, we're going to McDo. We got our dinosaurs. I will show this one. The
Hello.
dinosaur.
Tinan mo kami. Tinan mo kami kailan po. Lahat kami may dine.
Tatlo? Apat?
Rar. Mga go na? Ha? Ba't ko na hindi ka? Thank you. Eto lang, wala lang maganda na. Thank you.
Here's my McDo.
We just brought 4 kinds of dinosaur.
Go eat the fries.
Thank you.
I'm gonna drink this.
Cold lines here by your sliding door. And once again,
It's so yummy. It
even more cold
tastes like a melon.